I can safely say this road sucks. Good morning, YouTube. It's Scott Dunnage Garage. How you doing today? Well, we're about 3 hours away from the border crossing to get us back to Alaska. We're about 12 hours from Fairbanks. I don't know where we're going to end up today. I don't know what today's adventures are going to bring. Why don't you stay tuned? Let's find out together. Taking a quick little break here in Whitehorse to talk with some of the locals. We just stopped at Otter Falls for fuel. We're still probably about an hour, hour and a half out of Alaska. A small little gas station and RV park, but the bathrooms are amazing and they have showers. Now, let's finish heading to Alaska. Safely say this road sucks. We're still up in the Yukon. No idea how much further we got till we get to the Alaska border. My mapping showed it was 3 hours this morning, and we've been driving for 4 and we're still in the Yukon. But yeah, this road, you're driving along and the potholes in it are so bad that your suspension bottoms out. Not the most fun thing to drive on. All right, we have finally made it to Tok, Alaska. It's not a bad camp spot, but we did run into issues. Initially, GPS was showing this to be a 3-hour drive to the border and a little bit further to get to Tok, but this ended up being almost 7 hours today, and that was longer than anticipated. That said, it is early, about 6 o'clock local time. Batteries are dead on the computer, so I cannot do any more editing. So I think I'm going to head to bed early after doing some cleaning. And tomorrow's plans to head to North Pole, Alaska. Let's walk you through the camp until then. Unfortunately, we didn't get a chance to go grocery shopping on this last leg of the trip, and we're out of food, sort of. Let's jump into the Mammo's Camp Kitchen dinner. Tonight, chicken and sausage jambalaya. Remove the oxygen absorbing packets. Add 1.5 cups of water. My pump is dead. That sucks. Take 2. Add 1.5 cups of water. Boil it. Less than 2 minutes later, it's boiling. Add it. Reseal it. Let it set for 10 to 15 minutes. With that, 10 minutes later, dinner is ready. It looks good. Smells good. A long-handled spork would be a lot easier, but I don't have one. That's good. Mamu's Camp Kitchen for the win. I'm not sponsored by them, but I will buy it again. Good morning. Welcome to day 8 of the adventure. Today's goal, North Pole, Alaska and Fairbanks, and then stopping at a more civilized campground. I need to charge batteries and do some chores, get some laundry done. That is the plan. Alaska was a conduit to fortify U.S. defenses and move supplies during World War II. The Northwest Staging Route was a series of airstrips created to deliver aircraft and supplies to the Soviets for their war effort against Germany, and across Canada to Fairbanks, Alaska. Soviet pilots met the planes and flew to Nome to refuel before continuing to Moscow. The over 8,000-mile route was part of the Lend-Lease Act, extended in late 1941 to include the Soviet Union, allowing the U.S. to provide aid without becoming directly involved in the war. When Japan bombed Pearl Harbor on December 7, 1941, the U.S. officially engaged in World War II. Early June that same year, Japan bombed Dutch Harbor and invaded the islands of Attu and Kiska in an attempt to disrupt the Lend-Lease efforts, but ultimately emphasized Alaska's strategic importance. Seeing the territory as a stepping stone for Japanese expansion, the U.S. had a strong incentive to build an overland route to Alaska. Well, we have made it to the North Pole. Gotta go see Santa. There's even Santa's workshop in here. All right, so we spent the day at the KOA, got some stuff done. Laundry, check. Showers, check. Uploading videos, not so much. Let me show you my desk. This is where I've been working all day. Internet's pretty slow. It's been almost 6 hours and I still have about 8% left on the video upload. And that's the first video I'm uploading today. I still have a second one to upload. It's gonna be a long evening. We have 500 plus miles, like 504 miles to Dead Horse. We're gonna start on that tomorrow. I don't know how far we're gonna get, but we're gonna get. So stay tuned for that content. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. You have yourself a blessed day, and remember, life's an adventure. Go live it.